Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 5-35, the idler shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 5-35, the idler shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, MMGS, and we're going to go to the right plane. We're going to build, do a circle first. Do a circle there, and just one there for now. And this is going to be a radius 9.5, which will be 908, the 19s. There you go, 19. And this is going to be a radius 10, which is radius 5. Sorry, which is going to be 10. Now these two here should be parallel. Nope, sorry, horizontal. My apologies. Now we want a line from there to there. Another one from another one from here right to there. There we go. Now trim. Nope, sorry. Against that. Trim. There we go. That's there, there's there. And that is curved a bit. Doesn't say how much, but I'm going to take probably 3 mil. There we go. Let's now go to that one. That one's going to connect. And that line, those two lines going to be tangent. That point and that line will be connecting. But that line, those two will be tangent. There we go. Let's make that 3 mil. See how it looks. Oh, there. There, thank you. 3 mil. Yep, looks good. Let me do that one 3 mil now, just so then I can get locked in. Bring that one around that way. There we go. Now, that one and that one will be joined. And that will be joined. That there and that curve will be tangent. I clicked outside and highlight everything, that way I don't pick too many things again by accident. And that should be tangent. There we go. Let's go to, this is, there we go. It's going so weird. That'll do. Let's go to trim. Trim you and you. And you and you. There we go. Move out. So that's that part done. Yes, it is. That's going to be a thickness of 3 mil. So feature, extrude, 3 mil. Doesn't have to be on. You know what? Wrong one. Oh, hold on. Midplane. I had the right one. Midplane. Doesn't matter on this one. And that's going to be actually stainless steel. Metal, steel. Where's steel? Galvanized, silver, gold, tungsten, brass, steel. Polished, brushed steel. Yeah, brushed steel, that'll do. There we go. And that is part 5-35, 35. idler shaft. Okay, let's do normal. Sketch. Now we want to do circle. There, that's going to be 12 mil, I believe. Nope, 13, sorry. It's 12 mil extrude. 13. That's going to be feature, extrude, 12 mil. That's where I had 12 mil from. Beautiful, yep. Okay, okay, thank you. Oh, look. It's gone back to brass. Or it is. Not brass. Well, that one I got. Okay, anyway, change that in a minute. We want to do another one here. So this one here is going to be sketch, circle. And that's going to be 10 mils. Extrude, 10 mil. Oh, no, sorry. I'm going to have myself. That's 12 mil extrude. Let me just finish that one off. Sketch, 12 mil. 10 mil there. There we go. Exit out. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, let's go back to this one. Nope. Whole thing. There we go. Oh, why didn't I do the whole thing? That's weird. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Now, we want to go to Hole Wizard. And that was 10 mil, it was. So go 10. Look for 1. Here we go. 10 by 1.25. So we want try something different. Up to selection. Okay. Actually, that worked. Actually, I always had this part here, but I'll sell with that. I will sell for that. I think that's done, actually. 13, 12, 12, 10 mil, 9.5. Oh, hold on. I realised a measurement I missed. Let's see, normal 2, sketch. Oh, edit feature. Oh, I'll back off. Edit sketch. This one to this one is 40. 40. There we go. And done and out. There we go. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. Definitely a lot better. That's part 5-35. Either shaft done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.